Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Transcription number 418 at a speed of 100 word per minute. Be ready. Start. Sir, we have discussed many times in the past the problems of small industries, but the present is somewhat different from the previous occasions. We meet today in a different situation, in a different climate, in very compelling circumstances where the supreme need of the hour seems to be the economic mobilization of the country to meet a growing and mounting emergency. So, sir, this hour makes a significant impact on any discussion that we undertake. Today, I take it we are engaged in transforming an altogether peacetime economy into a wartime economy. This is an occasion when every sector of industry and trade should respond to the mounting and pressing demands of the growing emergency. The seriousness of the situation is that if we fail in the economy, we will also fail in the war effort and ultimately in the war itself. Therefore, there cannot be, to my mind, any neglect to any aspect of our economy. Sir, I would like to discuss this motion today in this background of economic mobilization, keeping in view the growing and enveloping emergency. There has been a tendency in the past to overrate the importance of big industries. Big industries are essential indeed, they are important. We cannot do without them. But in the process of overrating the importance of the big industries or the heavy industries, we are apt to forget the importance of the small industries and the role that they have to play in the national economy. Sometimes, perhaps, our friends may take it that small scale industries are not of much consequence, and if that thinking were still to persist in our minds, I must say it is very dangerous indeed, and we should avoid it. Sir, to me, small scale industries can play a very far reaching role in placing the economy of the country on an even level, whether in peacetime or in wartime, and the government and the various agencies that are set up by the government should provide proper facilities and create the conditions necessary for their growth. But what do we find today? What is the picture of small scale industries in India? I am afraid I have to be a bit critical of the state of affairs in spite of the fact that some steps have been taken to repair the damage that was caused in the past. Stop.